Do you really know who has touched your company's confidential documents? Accessed, deleted, modified, or even secretly copied to USB drives? Without transparency, data leakage can happen anytime, anywhere. But how can we truly keep track of every document's journey? AnySecura provides a series of solutions for you. First, AnySecura's AI Sentinel records every action throughout a document's lifecycle: access, modification, deletion, and even risky operations like copying files to external devices or sending through remote tools. Second, AnySecura automatically backs up your files before they're copied, altered, or deleted so your sensitive data stays safe and every action is fully traceable. Third, AnySecura's data analysis platform doesn't just record logs, it detects risks. It analyzes user behavior, monitors external file transfers, and issues visual warnings when suspicious activity is detected. The most important one is that you can trace the entire journey of a document, from creation, renaming, and modification, to uploading, copying, or deletion. With clear charts and reports, ID teams can quickly locate leaks and take action. With AnySecura, your company documents are no longer at risk of being silently tampered with or leaked. Record, monitor, and protect before it's too late.